Next up, the fire department key. This one you'll find all the way on the far southwest side of the map, on this little island here, just to the west of the zoo. It is a named location, so it's very easy to find, and of course there are a few entrances, so I'll come through here from the water. Now there'll be tons of gas cans outside here, tons of lockers for some useful loot before you go in, possibly backpacks, etc. And inside of here, we have the actual fire department. There are quite a few entrances to the main building, and of course, over here this secondary entrance. Just pick one and open it, as the key should only need one use to get you all around the inside, as they are connected. And of course, you can open the deadbolts to let your teammates in if they come in somewhere else. There's just tons and tons of gas. So currently, as I'm in the side building here, I'll use the connecting bridge over here to take me across between the buildings. But do just keep in mind that there's tons of level 1 and level 2 AI here, and even shieldy boys. So it will be a little bit annoying to get your way in here, but it's not ultimately too dangerous. You can easily do this solo, especially if you take your time. Okay, well, just got a bit overwhelmed there. I've been traveling through here a bit too fast. They came behind me when I wasn't completely prepared, but got rid of them. Now we can continue our way through the fire department. This door over here leads to the roof. There are, of course, a few orange crates. Tons and tons of computers in here, so your odds of finding a graphics card are probably a bit higher, but ultimately it's just really normal stronghold loot. There's nothing too out of the ordinary in here, at least for now. This staircase here takes us down to more of the building, where we can see parked trucks, etc. This is probably where the majority of the AI came from that swarmed me, and even more orange crates down here. Tons of stims, a few weapon racks, more medkits, that's quite useful. 3-plate, tons and tons of oxygen masks, more lockers, and heading upstairs here, even more lockers, so your odds of finding a triple plate are pretty good, maybe even a large backpack, tons of cash, and this upstairs area here has a few dorm rooms with orange crates in each of them, and this one here requires a fire department dorm room key, for example. That's the only other locked door in here as far as I know. Oh, even an ISO hemlock gold. That's actually really cool. Anyways, overall the haul was pretty good from this area. It's definitely worthwhile coming here if you have the key, but anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!